Does sunlight ever make you sneeze? What's going on? It's not allergies, it's science. Why do some people sneeze when they look at bright sunlight? A. The sunlight irritates the nasal passages. B. It's a reflex linked to the optic nerve. C. Bright light triggers increased airflow in the nose. D. It's the body's way of protecting the eyes from harm. I thought it was just me. What's your guess? Type your answer in the comments. The correct answer is B. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and it happens in 18 to 35% of people. Fun fact: the phenomenon is also called ACHOO Syndrome, autosomal compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst syndrome. Hit like, share, and subscribe to GhoshBiology for more curious science facts. GhoshBiology, making everyday science fun.